hazards. Brief heavy snow showers which can rapidly reduce visibility to less than a quarter of a mile. This band of heavy snow showers may also result in a quick coating of snow on roadways and brief strong wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Motorists are urged to drive with extra caution. This squall will be near Newton, Arlington, Watertown, Needham, and Belmont around 9:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Cambridge and Somerville around 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Brookline, Medford, Norwood, and Dedham around 9:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Boston and Westwood around 9:40 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Canton around 9:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Randolph and Milton around 9:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Braintree around 9:55 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Quincy, Weymouth, and Holbrook around 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Safety info: conditions can deteriorate rapidly in winter weather situations. Be prepared for snow or ice-covered roads. Slow down and allow extra time to reach your destination. Here are